Good evening, ma'am. This is Anusha Sparrow from BCom CA to first year. Today's my topic is bills of exchange. Bills of exchange is defined as unconditional payment order inspected by the drawer to the drawee to make the payment on the future agreed date. In simple words, bills of exchange is the secured method of payment to the traders. Bills of exchange consists of following methods. Those are retail, discounting, endorse, send to bank for collection, rebate, insolvency. Now, these four are again dealt in four cases. Those are honor and dishonor. To explain these all cases, I'll use an example that A is a seller who sells goods to B. Then B becomes a buyer. Here, A draws a bill on B. Then A becomes a drawer, B becomes a drawee. A is a drawer, B is a drawee. Now, B accepts the bill drawn by the A. Now, B becomes an acceptor, A becomes an acceptee. Acceptor, acceptee. Now, the first topic is retain. Retain means making the payment by B when A goes to B on due date. Next, discounting. Discounting means in an emergency cases, when A requires amount urgently, then A goes to his bank, and gives the bill to bank, and he takes certain amount which is discounted by the B. Then it is called as discounting. Next, endorsement. Endorsement means A is buying goods from a third party, that is C. Then C becomes a seller, A becomes a buyer. Here, instead of paying the amount separately to C, A gives the bill which is drawn on B to C, then that is called as endorsement. Then A becomes an endorser, C becomes an endorser. This is called endorsement. Next, send to bank for collection. In certain cases, A gives the bill which is drawn on B, and A gives the bill which is drawn on B to bank, and A says that collect the bill on the due date from B. Then it becomes it is known as send to bank for collection. Next, rebate. Rebate means when B is giving the amount to A before the due date, then it becomes retire on rebate. Rebate means giving the amount before so that he receives some discount, so that A gets loss and B gets profit. Next, insolvency. Insolvency means B will not pay the amount which should be given to A, so that A gets loss, B becomes an insolvent. Now, completed all cases. Now we'll go to honor and dishonor. Honoring means giving the amount on the due date. Dishonoring means skipping skipping the payment which should be given to the seller on the due date, then it becomes a dishonor. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much, ma'am.